Kulumbai. Hello students. Hope all of you are doing well. I'll be talking about Unit 4 of the syllabus, that is Religion, Philosophy and Society, Consolidation of the Brahmanical Tradition, Dharma, Varnashram, Purusarthas and Samskaras. Let us first talk about Dharma. Dharma is a concept of central importance in Indian philosophy and religion. The root of the word dharma is dhri, which means to support, hold, or bear. In common parlance, dharma means right way of living and part of rightness. It is very difficult to provide a single concise definition for dharma, as the word has a long and varied history. In Hinduism, dharma signifies behaviors that are considered to be in accord with Rita, the order that makes life and universe possible, and includes duties, rights, laws, conduct, virtues, and right way of living. In Buddhism, dharma means cosmic law and order. And in certain contexts, dharma designates human behaviors considered necessary for order of things in the universe, principles that prevent chaos, behaviors and action necessary to life in nature, society, family, as well as at the individual level. One more point to remember is that, according to the book History of Dharma Shastra, in the hymns of the Rig Veda, the word dharma appears 56 times. So, this is about dharma. Now, I'll be talking about Varnashrama. The division of Aryan society is based on orders of life. The whole structure of this division is called Varnashram. The life of individual Aryans was divided into 4 stages. These are: number 1, Brahmacharya, which means the student life. Number 2, Grihastha, or the householder's life. Number 3, Vanaprastha, or the retired life. And the number 4 is Sannyasa, or the devotional life. The first reference to the Varnashrama system is made in Purusha Sukta of Rig Veda. Now I'll be talking about Purusarthas. In Hinduism, Purusartha refers to a goal, end or aim of human existence. There are generally considered to be 4 such Purusarthas, namely: number 1, Dharma, which means duty or ethics. Number 2 is Artha, which means prosperity. Number 3 is Kama, which means pleasure and sensual gratification. And the number 4 is Moksha, which means the pursuit of liberation. Purusarthas are the blueprint for human fulfillment. Now I'll be talking about Samskaras, last topic of this syllabus. The Dharma Shastras describe the Samskaras as rituals marking important stages of life. There are 16 samskaras of Hindus which cover the entire lifespan of a person and take them to the doorsteps of truth. The 16 samskaras are: number 1, Garbhandan; number 2, Punsabana; number 3, Simanto Nayana; number 4, Jatakarma; number 5, Namakarana; number 6, Niskramana; number 7, Annaprashanna; Number 8, Shurakarana. Number 9, Karnaveda. Number 10, Upanayana. Number 11, Vidyarambha. Number 12, Samavartan. Number 13, Vivha. Number 14, Banafrasta. Number 15, Sannyas. And number 16 is Antyesti. That's all. Thank you.